Back again. Welcome to Jared Tries Trading, episode 29. It's 12:11 p.m., about an hour before the close. It's February 17th. I think I'm just going to wrap it up here. SPY is just drifting lower. Selling off. Not really what we want to see, or what I want to see, considering I have some longs going. And I'm feeling a little bit of pain on my CVX long, but all it takes is a couple of nice green days and we'll be back in business with those. This is the daily. Obviously a big red day today. Dropped back below the SMA 200. I was messing around with some trend lines, just trying to see, if there's any minor kind of spot we might bounce off of. But I know for sure that this area was tested end of January, so if we're headed back there, I think we'll settle in there for a little bit if we do head down there. Otherwise, if maybe we could get a bounce here for a double bottom, higher low, and then maybe back up to this region, off to the races. I really don't know. I'm not going to pretend like I know. So that's kind of my thoughts after today. I don't know if we're going to rally at the end of the day. Just steady selling. I took little base hits here and there. I should have had more conviction in maybe some of my shorts, but again, we could have just chopped around all day. And is this really a move that, where I have SPY tailwind at my back and, I'm running, and then, I don't know, just a tough thing. It's always changing, and, I'm waiting for one of these to the bullish side, and then it'll be easier for me to see. But great screen time. I'll get into how I did today. Not bad. Another base hit kind of a day. Kept it green. Frankly, this win rate should have been 100%. Just my confidence in the market and where we're at kind of has me a little skittish. And, I'm just not confident in the tailwind. And so I took two really small -$5 losses. So that took a hit on my win rate. But keeping the losses small is exactly what I want to do, especially in this kind of market. These trades both would have ended up working out, but I just didn't have conviction in it. Kind of fearful that we're just chopping around, but it just so happened today, straight just drifting lower. So, and one up, I couldn't really tell what it was doing. So in that environment, take my wins when I can get it, and cut my losses before they get out of hand. So I guess that being said, I'm happy with the day. Green day, not really to my target, but stacking these base hits will add up. So I had some good picks today as well. So WPM, I don't think they're going to pull up right now. WPM, I like this pick a lot. But again, I didn't have any conviction in the trade. I didn't know what the market's doing, but look how strong it is. Market put up a big red day, and it put up a big green day. At the time, I was thinking, broke through this last SMA here, major resistance. And then was there one of these, maybe a few days ago, broke through kind of like a downward sloping trend line. But really strong stock. I'm going to keep watching this. This is going to be on my follow through list. And look at that. Strong day. I got in, let's see. I can't check. Sorry, forgive me. It's loading. Here we go. I got in at 11:07 and I went shares with this. The options in this volatility, man, it could get away from you, and then you have to climb twice the amount. 1107 up here. Sat through the little pullback. Again, I had shares, so wasn't too worried. I like the daily. And then I sold in this consolidation here because I felt like, could resistance be building? Is it getting weak? I'm not sure. And SPY wasn't doing shit. So let's see. SPY. Yeah, look at SPY just starting to roll over. How would I have known that it's going to keep rallying? Eventually a stock is going to get tired and it's going to pull back with the market, right? That's what it did here at 240. But I left money on the table, but I took my little base hit, $10. So that's cool. I'm happy that I picked a good stock though. I was able to see the daily and figure out it's going to be a good stock. So that's a positive. Plus took $10 off of it. It's my money and I need it now. JG Wentworth, you know what I mean? NEM, man, this stock super strong. I didn't know what kind of day this was. My swing. I swung it from yesterday or 2 days ago. I had 70 shares of it, and this thing just kept going all day. In the morning, SPY was putting up red candles. NEM gapped up, but was putting up a red candle. So I just wanted to lock in my gains. I don't know if it was gonna, reverse the gap and fill in, and then, I just gave up on my gains for no reason. So let's check out the daily on this one. Covered it in the last video. Beautiful daily. If of course, if I knew, I would have just held it and got another $1 out of it. But typically I'm gonna take those pops in the morning, lock in my gains. I started the morning, green. And it's a good feeling when you do that. So took this little gap up, missed a lot of it, but I'm not going to feel bad about it. Happy I was in the right stock. Maybe when I get a little bit better, this morning volatility, I'll have a better feel for if I should hold on to it or not. But as for now, I took my gains. So that put me in the green early in the morning. And IBM. Did I trade IBM to the downside? Pretty sure I did. Oh, and I'm trading one contract if I do go options. So full size, it would have been, $48, which is solid. So I can't forget about that. Even though I'm not close to my daily goal, I'm trading half size. So about one put. Show you guys what I saw on IBM. Let's see. Yep. Bam. Blasted through that last kind of support. Sorry. Lots of selling pressure. And I was looking for, where's the next kind of minor support. Maybe at the bottom of this candle here. Maybe from here, December 20th, January 24th. But I was pretty bearish on it. It was a good trade. Again, it was purely just the market being how it is right now, super volatile, that I got out. I got in at 1025 back here in this big red candle. And actually, yeah, I was in it for 2 minutes. Obviously I left money on the table. It did end up bouncing. SPY was bouncing just at this moment here. So I'm cool with my $20 a minute kind of gain there. So it's all about perspective. But again, I'm happy with picking a stock that proved I was right, even though I didn't sit in it all day. Just trying to, keep the market first at all times. CF, another super strong one. If I just sat in it all day, I would have been cool. I took half size on this. Sorry about that, little moo alert. Took 60 cents on 40 shares. Great trade, great stock pick. Let's look at CF, show you guys what I saw. Top right corner, above all SMAs. Kind of choppy, kind of consolidating in here, but yesterday, nice green day. Didn't really close on its high, but, seems strong to me. Nice reaction after the earnings. SPY's been pulling back, and it put up some green days. So, and it's right here at the testing the high. Week 1, monthly. Yeah, so we're right around the all-time high kind of spot. And, I think it's a good time to go long on it. If only there was a little SPY kind of tailwind, I definitely would have stayed in this. But look at this. When did I get in? 11:06. Right in this candle here. There's a buy signal as well. And then I'm pretty sure I just sold at the top, 11:20. So, yeah, at the top of this candle here. And, I was thinking, man, am I just leaving money off the table? But, I like these quick little pops, and I take it. I'm pretty sure that was a bearish stochastic cross on my Thinkorswim, and I just wanted to lock in my gains. $24 on half size, a couple Big Macs, but we're eating nonetheless. And those are pretty much my wins for the day. Again, my losses. Dave posted this short. I did like the daily. I reviewed it. Try to put my own plan together, but I didn't feel right taking it because it was someone else called it. I wasn't stocking this trade for myself. So I feel like I shouldn't have traded it. Didn't deserve to trade it. Facebook's been weak as shit. So look at it, below all SMAs, huge gap down, just drifting lower. The trade would have definitely worked. I left a lot of money on the table, but I'm trying to stick to my guns and I'm trying to fish for myself. You know what I mean? I did like the story, but if I didn't find this beforehand and was watching it, then I didn't really want to be in the trade. But got out for $5. Loss. I could have got out for, I think, $20 profit, but I just had no conviction in the trade because it wasn't mine. Affirm, went short on this. Should have been profitable, but just goes back to the market, man. I didn't know what was going on. I didn't trust it, but definitely picked a good stock. Look at this bottom right of the D1, below all SMAs. Below this, if this was any sort of support here on the weekly, and this was the M5, kind of stacking reds, drifting down. Did gain some strength in the middle of the day, but I just didn't want to stick around for it. I got in at 10:25, and I got out at 10:30, like in the next candle. I didn't really give it room to breathe. So that's a mistake on my part. But at the same time, the other short that I took, which was IBM, I got into the trades almost the same time. IBM put up a big red candle right away. AFRM didn't. So, I didn't see what I wanted, and then I just got out. And it was a $5 loss, so nothing too crazy. So overall, pretty solid day as far as patience, sticking to my guns and sticking to my rules. I did take MO long, and I'm going to be holding it overnight. Did I take shares of this, or I took a call contract? Strong today. I really liked when I took a look at it and entered. It just had broken this high right here. And I mean, look at it, just coiling, just compressing. I think it wants to go. I mean, today's a big red day on SPY, and look at this day it put up. So I'm going to swing it. We'll see what happens. I think we have a lot of support in this region here. And if we consolidate for a few more days, I think I'm fine. These don't expire until March 18th. So I love having a lot more time to work with it and manage the trades. So I'm holding that, and I just want to go over. This might be a mistake. We'll see. I told you guys I swung CVX. This was a few days ago on the 14th. I liked how it was consolidating here above all SMAs, clearly uptrending. And really, I'm just waiting for the market. But we ended up gapping down. Breaking this compression here was supposed to be my stop. But I woke up in the morning, it gapped down, and then it had a green day. So I'm really not sure what to make of it. I'm down probably 50% on 2 contracts, which is quite a bit. But I'm giving it room. I have until the 25th. I guess, if it gets closer to the SMA, I can cut it. I'm really not sure because it already passed, this consolidation range that I was supposed to stop out of at, but put up this green day. So I'm getting a little bit confused. I think it's stronger than SPY though, for sure. SPY put up a big red day, and this is just, almost like a doji, almost. I'm not sure what to call it, but we'll see. Or maybe I'll wait for 2 flat top HA candles before I exit. It's going to hurt if I have to take a loss on CVX, man. I can't lie. But I'm trying not to work off of hopium and keep it consistent. You know what I mean? So that's what I was working with today, guys. Kept it green. Win rate should have been higher, but it is what it is. Losses come with the game. Appreciate you guys for watching. This is episode 29. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. Hope you guys kept it green. Take it easy. See ya.